everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 JL Wrangler Unlimited in the Sahara trim. This is featured in black with the gray interior. Again, stock number 28347T. Oh, didn't want to open up very well. Has the gray leather interior with the Sahara emblem built right in. This also has the cold weather package, which gives you heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. This also has the 8-speed automatic transmission, power locks, power windows. We're going to cheat real quick here. This also has the remote start, which is part of the cold weather package. Again, 8-speed automatic transmission. This also has the body color, freedom top color, and also has the side fender flares, which is painted black also. So these are all painted your black on the exterior color. This also has a 225/70R 18-inch tech gray wheels. It's a little nicer looking wheel that's painted that tech gray color. Of course, it's got the deep tinted sunscreen glass along with the rear defroster, rear wiper, rear backup camera. Very, very nice vehicle. Again, these sell based on the fun factor, how fun they are to drive. They take the top off, the doors can come off, the windshield can lay down. This also has the Bluetooth connectivity, so you can pair your compatible smartphone, listen to any kind of music, receive any kind of phone calls. Just a very fun vehicle. Winter, spring, summer, or fall. Again, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL in the Sahara trim, featured in black. If you have any questions on this beautiful Jeep Wrangler or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck. As always, thanks for giving us an opportunity and have a beautiful day.